Hey guys, I'm Anthony. I'm a fourth year engineering and computer science student at UNSW. Thought I might just hop in this vlog to let you guys know a bit about my experience at UNSW and help you on your road to becoming a full-fledged student at uni. So to tell you a bit about myself, I'm from Perth originally. Really loved Perth. Beautiful place, lovely people. I had great friends over there. I was really fortunate in high school to get this opportunity that introduced me to the space industry, and that's actually why I'm here in Sydney now. So it didn't really take me too long to adjust, I guess, to Sydney, moving to Sydney. Probably the pace is like quadruple that of Perth, so you really got to keep up. Public transport as well over here is really cool. Things work a lot better without a car. Aside from that, I lived on campus, so I was pretty comfortable with the setup that they had there. I knew there were people around to help out if I needed. UNSW does a really good job in that. ARC especially had great societies, played sport, had social events, so that was fantastic. So just ending on some advice that I'll give anyone starting at UNSW would be to really throw yourself out there, be willing to make new friends, go to events, join societies, just make the most of the opportunity that you've got.
Hey everyone, I'm Serena. I'm a fourth year commerce and arts student and I'm going into study right now. So I thought I wanted to use today's video to kind of walk you through what happened when I was in high school into uni and see if there are any tips and tricks that you guys can take. I thought uni would be this full, the glamorous movies that you see where you would find a huge group of friends, you know, go to your lectures, sit down and take notes written by hand. That's not the case. It is very self-led. The biggest thing that shocked me about uni was how big it is. The campus is massive. In terms of the workload, high school, you have so much structure. You have a teacher that is stuck with you 24/7 almost, and you're basically spoon-fed all the content. The other difference is, again, back to the social aspect. As someone who is on the shyer side, more on the introverted side, I had quite a bit of trouble making friends. I stuck to one group, predominantly one friend in particular that I mustered up the bravery to approach in my first year. But I ended up joining extra clubs and extra societies as well, and being surrounded by people who are interested in the same thing, who do have the same interest as you, does really change that experience as well. I hope you enjoyed and there was something of use to you, and hopefully I'll see you on campus.
Hi, my name is Saurabh. I've recently graduated with a Master's in International Business degree from UNSW Sydney. One of the key differences between India and Australia is in the working culture. I think learning in Sydney was way different in the sense that there was practical learning involved, which were quite close to the real industry environment. When I came to Sydney, I was living in a university accommodation called New College Postgraduate Village. In that, we had people from more than 100 countries living in the same accommodation, and we used to celebrate each other's festivals together. I was so fond when I reached Sydney and found out that a conversation over a beer can actually lead to an opportunity in your personal or professional life. One of the key tips that I would definitely give to international students is to have an open mindset where you can learn new things on a day-to-day basis, meet new people without adding any filters in front of your mind. So this kind of wraps up the video for today. Hope you found it insightful. I look forward to seeing you all in Sydney pretty soon.